click on solid G19. Then single click on go for here. Here you have to double click on this. Here you have to go for single click on solid part. Double click on solid part. Then you go for here. You need to select the respective planes for this. Okay. So in which plane you can able to, as it is the first
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
part
side
you do
ಬನ್ನಿ.
it as it is on the front view. Here there are three planes are there. Here this is called. So if you just go here, here you get this is front plane. You can able to view here, and this is right plane, this top plane. Which you are going to do it. That for all you are selected for what? Front plane. Here also I am going to select this. You can select for this right plane. You can select, or front plane you can select. Now the front plane profile I am going to do it. Okay. Either you can select front plane or right plane. So I select the right profile plane for this, and go for sketch. Select the right profile plane. It will come to as a working environment. So now I am going to draw a profile of the front view. In the first part, he has given two views. One is front view, another one is
Top view.
top view. Now I will draw the half of the front view part. Height he has given 55 mm. Can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Half of that is width. It is given 168 divided by 2. Half I am going to do. The remaining half what I am going to do? I am going to go for mirror it another half. Okay. So now the first half I will go for. So I will draw the profile of that. So now I will go for this. Select a circle or go for a profile here. Select a line. So select the intersection point here. Just go for the length and all. I will just draw a profile as it is,
Yes, sir.
which he has given here. Just I will draw a profile like this. Whenever it is coming dotted line, don't stop there. Go a little high or below or above. Right. Okay. Then comes like this. Okay. Straight line. Then I am going to draw a. I will give the total height of this. Okay. Go to distance between from here to here. The height should be how much? 55. Give the 55 is the height, and also given the height of this also. He has given 14.
14.
It is visible.
Yes,
And
sir.
also the distance given. So from this end to this end, the distance given is
14.
4 mm. Can you able to see? It is not
Yes, sir.
given
Yes, sir. 4 mm.
4 mm. Just take it as 4 mm.
Yes.
So this completed. Then go for total width. So from here to here 168 divided by 2. First
84, sir.
80. Go for 84. So now we have gone through all these. Okay. So now you go for take a circle. From here you draw a circle. Diameter of the circle given in the 38 mm. Can you able to see there?
Yes, sir.
Not 44. It is 38 diameter.
Yes, sir.
So diameter is 38 mm. Draw a circle. First draw a rough circle over here.
Okay, sir.
And you need to give the what is the total height you need to mention for that. So the diameter, half of that it is, he has given here, its radius is 19 plus 3 plus 12. What is the total height? 15. Plus 3 plus 1. So now go for,
40.
so from here, from the center point to the top of end, so you go for how much he has given there in the center of that 3 plus 12. How much?
15.
3 plus 12 it is
15.
15 mm. Just go for 15 mm. Once you draw the 15 mm, so now I will draw the approximate profile of this. Okay. So from the, just for your reference, from the center point of the circle, just draw a line. Just go straight how much? 3 mm. How much straight? 3 mm. Then go straight 3 mm. Again you have to go width. Approximately draw a profile. Okay? You draw the profile like this.
Yes.
So now go for smart dimension. Give the dimension for this is 12 and dimension for this is the 3 mm it is there already. So go for smart dimension. Mention the dimensions of this. This is the diameter of the circle. It is 38 8 mm. Now we have drawn the profile, the entire profile. Then go for from this point to till here. So just to close this profile. So later we will go for the option. And whatever 168 width I have given, and the diameter it is from here to here. The diameter from here to here it is. The width he has given 44 mm. I think go to distance between. So from this side to this side, he has extended I given. How much it is? 44. 44 minus 38 divided by 2. It is? So total it will come, 3 mm it will come, 6 it will come. 38 by 44 minus 38, 6. Divided by 2?
3 mm.
It will come 3 mm. Now go for the option card here. Just go down. What is this is the option card it is? This is called trim.
Trim.
Means it will just trim the options like this. Okay? Trim this also. Trim and this. The entire thing you have trimmed off here. This is also you just trim it off. So now you have got the trimming option. You have trimmed all these positions. So now go for observe here.
This also trim.
Let it be. Now go for select the entire thing. Then go for option here. It is called mirror. Select this mid option. This is. Then after mirror, select this. You delete because the profile should not be divided here. Now you have got the entire profile here.
Yes.
Now go for return option. Return. Then there is an option. It is called here protrusion. Select this. Select the profile. Okay. What is the width? You can get it in the top view. Below that given width that is 36.
36.
Here I am going for what is this is called symmetric extent, means from the axis line it will go both the sides. You go like this, then it will go both the sides.
Okay.
Then here you give the distance is 36. It means how much it will take either side?
18.
18 mm this side, 18 mm. See the profile now.
Okay.
And what is the front view profile? You have got it now. Okay, just give finish. So now you have to go for the top view profiles like the rectangular opening and square opening and nut and bolt opening. That and all you have to do it here. Okay? For that what I am going to do, just by pressing the button, rotate like this. Then go for sketch, select the top face. Bottom face. Sorry,
Bottom face.
Bottom face.
Bottom face you have to select. Okay? Select the bottom face. Select like this, it will come as a working environment. Make use of zoom option here. Now all the profile. Half of the profile you can draw, the remaining profile you can cut it. Okay? Go to the option called rectangular profile. Only half side I draw. Observe here. Just draw a profile like this. The total, the internal profile is given. Can you able to see that? Left side you can able to get it 8 mm, 8 mm. Okay? If you have a confusion, I will draw the observe here. I will draw the profile left side, because in the book also dimensions given in the left side only. Go to distance between, observe here, from here to here, what is the distance you need to leave? 8 mm.
8 mm.
All the sides 8 mm. Observe here, from here to here also, all the sides you should leave 8 mm. All the sides.
Yes, sir.
Then go for 8 mm. 8 mm, 8 mm, you have to leave from all the sides. So by default, if you give 8 mm here, so this is also should be 8 mm. Then the rectangular box get created. Next, what else I need to create? So now I will go for, so now slats you have to create. So slat, one square, the base of the end of the bolt, the square you have to create here. The distance is given 62 mm. Can you able to observe? So now I will go for 62 mm given. Observe here. Now go for take a square option here. From here to here, it touches the straight line you have to take. So you should take the straight line like this. Now go for the option called. So here you have some relations option. It is called, this is collinear. Select this line and this line. It will get collinear to that.
Okay.
Then go to distance between the midpoint of these two. I think 62 by 2. Given 62 other side also half. Half of that it is 31. I am taking the dimension it is 31. The remaining it is 20 square only. Okay. This is 20 only. Go to distance between this and this. So this the total distance should be 20. 20 means either side it is taken. By default it is taken how much? From here to here it is 10 and here to here it is 10. Because this is total length it is 20. By default this height it is 20 because this is 8, this is 8, 16.
16.
Inside it is 20. Total it is 36. Correct?
Yes, sir.
By default it will come. Now I have created this. Over. Next I have to create one whole by considering the center of that. So go for center. So here exactly the midpoint of this. If you come like this, you just go like this. Here. Okay. Draw a diameter of the hole is given 10.50. Can you able to see?
10.2.
Right side given. Right side of he has given 10.50 dia.
11 ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 11 mm.
11 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾ.
So this is value okay you can take it. Select this and give this is 11. Not a problem. Because by default I have set it for the center of this line. Then I have to draw one more from the right side rectangular pocket. Can you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
So approximately I will go for here. I will draw a approximate profile like this.
Rectangle.
Okay, rectangular shape because either side you have to make it. And what is the width of that? It is given radius 5 given. Can you able to see right side?
Yes, sir.
Radius
ಹಾ.
5. Go for give this radius height is 5 and the total height should be small dimension.
Same way.
Total height 10 I am giving. It is okay?
Yes, sir.
Either side it is taken 8.
5.
Then width also given 8 mm. Can you able to see? Width given
8 mm.
8 mm. The total width you select and give 8 mm. Okay, 8 mm give. And distances 128 given. Can you able to see that?
120. Yes, sir.
See the middle of this line. Observe here. The middle of this two, the reference line. Go 128 by 2. 16?
4.
64. By default it is taken. So now you go for, there is an option called arc by center point. Arc by center point. Select, keep this end as a center point. This end as a radius, try arc like this. Again this center as a center point, starting point, and this end is radius. Sometimes it is confusing about clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Don't worry about the things. Okay? Once again you select the midpoint of this at the end of this. Okay? Now go for trim option. Trim these two lines, not required now. I think created everything?
Yes,
Everything
sir.
created? I have created rectangular box, square, circle or rectangular plane. All these you have created. And the dotted, I will tell you that. Now go for return option here. Return option. Like this. See all we have created in the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Now go for, these are the option called cutout. Select this cutout option. Just click on OK. What is the cutout I have to go? Rectangular cutout. Just 2 mm you will get in the front view of right
Yes, sir.
side.
Yes, sir.
2
2 mm.
2 mm. Just move up to direction. See the 2 mm get removed. So now go for cutout same. This rectangle you have to select. Just go through all.
Through all.
If you just select like this, it will cut for through all. Then go for circle. Cutout. Select this circle. Okay. This is also through all. Okay. Next we go for rectangle square cutout. Cutout this square now. I think square where is given what is the depth we need to cut? Square we need to cut the depth. Square 20. Can you able to get it in the left side front view? Square of 20 ಇಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಥ್ರೆಡೆಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾವ ಸರ್ಕಲ್?
ಥ್ರೆಡೆಡ್ ಏನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. I tell you not worry.
ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
It is bolt ಅಪ್ಪ, bolt. Threaded nut will come. Okay, this is the base of the bolt. Square shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. What is the depth?
ಸರ್ 7 ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ +2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್?
7 ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. Total height it is how much?
9.
ಅದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
7
ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್
ಬಾಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ +2
ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ I am taking from bottom. I have created all the sketches from bottom only.
ಬಾಟಮ್ ಇಂದ
I have to go for 9 mm.
9.
ಅವಾಗ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 2 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ +7 ಇದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
so that is 7 years given. So now I think we are removed all. Okay, so one side it is all this thing over. Next after this I will tell you the one more just click on okay. Now go for what are the options? Cut out 1 2 3 4.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
I will go for here it is called mirror copy
Feature.
what are all I have to mirror? I have to mirror cut out 1 cut out 2 cut out 3 cut out 4. Just go for here you have to select smart mirror copy feature smart, then just click on okay. Then select the mid line.
Plan.
Then automatically right side get it. Same thing features will be appeared here. Getting it now? Whatever the features are there this side, by select the mid plane, go for mirror copy feature, then automatically this is we have done by using solid option. In the sketches also you can mirror it, or in the solid also you can do it. So once you completed this, so now go for sketch, select the top face here. Go for fit option, then go for a circle. Circular opening you have to make from the top, like this. What is the circular opening given? R43 can you able to see?
43 radius.
Total diameter is 86.
86.
Just give the 86 there. Observe here. Just okay. Now go for return option and just go for I have to go for option card cut out. Select this. Then go for okay. Here this is called the option. This is called what? Cut out side slip. Then it is showing the direction outside. Just go like this.
So 41.
What is the distance I need to go?
41 mm.
41.
1 mm.
So total it is 55 minus 14. 55 minus 14 is 41. See now? It is happened like this. You will get a circular shape of the top side.
Yes.
Have you seen plumber block? I think many of you are working in industry. You might have seen the plumber block here. Next we need to go for here. What you need to go? Here a circular cutout we have to make at the center. Can you able to see?
This is a small.
What is the depth he has given?
6
7.
7.
Diameter given 6.
6.
That how to do it? So you should be very careful. What is the option which I am selecting now?
Line.
Parallel plane. Select this till this edge. Just keep there. What I have created? Because parallel plane is here, I have taken the parallel plane till touches this. Because very difficult to create a cutout for what shape? Circular shape. Flat shape easily you can select the cutout. For circular shape, software it will not give you. You can create a cutout on plane.
Okay.
That's why I have taken what?
Line.
Parallel plane. So now go for sketch. Okay. So now go for sketch here. Before go for sketch, here there is an option called pole option. Here if you just click on here, so you get the what type of pole option you have to create here. I think it is simple hole. It is simple hole. And select what is the
6 mm.
diameter of the hole?
6 mm.
6 mm.
Length also.
Length is 6 mm diameter. Here it is asking length.
Depth.
6 mm V shape at the end. Is it right?
Yes sir.
So now go for OK. Select the what now? Plane created. Ali, you cannot able to select the circular option. It will not select. Flat means it will select. So select this like this. Then keep exactly center of this. Okay?
Okay.
And just once you select, just show the direction downward. Return. Okay? See now
Okay.
circular cutout. Get it done or not?
Done, sir.
Sir, problem is ಆಗಿ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
Not at all. Return. It is not happened means once again. So because you need to ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, it is creating error here. What is the thing? So it is creating error. Can I go 10 mm above? From here I will create one more plane. One more plane from this. I am taking a distance of how much?
10 mm.
10 mm. Now distance how much I need to select?
16.
Very good. Allah. Now depth is 6. I have to go for
16.
16 mm. Same option I will go. Whole option. So then go for select this. Select. Then go for simple hole. Then go for
16.
6 same. Diameter same. Height is
16.
16 instead of 6. This angle it is same. Now I am selecting this. Now keep exactly here. So just go for just show the direction downward.
ಸರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕಟ್ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. The option return. Now it is getting done. See now.
Yes, sir. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಇದೆ? ಇದೇ ಮೇಜರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ more than 50% of the time it is consuming the part 1 body. Any dimensions left out here? I think all options are completed.
Yes,
So
sir.
now go for what is the
Excel,
option?
sir.
Huh?
Excel.
Pardon?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್
ಇದು ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್
ಬ್ರೋ ಅದು
Excel and, we have
ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ
created.
ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
Excel and nothing. This is square created. That's all. It looks like that for you, I think. You practice once you come to know that. Next is go for save option. So now we will go for summary. What is the title, name of the part?
Plumber block.
ಬಾಡಿ ಸರ್
Body.
ಬಾಡಿ
Body. Then just click on this. Once click on the body. Now go for here new desktop, new folder. Then go for here plumber. MM here plumber block. Plumber block. Okay. Then just click OK. Again, once again the part name is
ಬಾಡಿ
body. Because in the part list it will come. You have to be very careful. Then save this. Then go for tools. Go for material table. So here the material.
Cast iron.
Yes. Tell me the material.
Cast iron.
CAST, cast iron. So you have to give the material is cast iron. So apply to the model. Just go for save. First part is completed. Okay. Now first part is completed. Now go to file. New solid part. It is normal part. Then okay. Now I am selecting the new part which I am going to create. Once again